Latches are clear. Open her up. All right, hydraulics engaged. Watch the ramp.
Check the flow rate on station 4.
Flow rate is stable. Purification levels look good across the board.
The moisture levels look good on this batch. All right, I'll clear the next section for the aftermoon feed.
Vitals look strong. Let's move to the ultrasound.
Copy that. Preparing the probe now.
Keep them moving, straight ahead. Watch the turn up here.
The alignment on Sector 4 is stable.
Acknowledged. Maintain current parameters.
The lasers say it's off by 2 millimeters. Adjust the base slightly. Looks perfect from here, sending it to staging. And here we have the culmination of our process, crafted with the finest leather and meticulous attention to detail.